Hi there, and welcome you all to a new episode of How to Start a New Business. Today, we assume that you are a little bit optimistic and decide not to sell the business. You want to give yourself another chance to stand on your feet and to continue the business or even to do it again. Bear in your mind that, first of all, that in all aspects of our life, there is a room for improvement. And if the more we pay attention to the improvement, the less the trouble we will get and we will face. Not on business only, but in all aspects of our life. But what is important for us in these episodes is our business. So, because you want to start the business again, you have to be very curious, you are very careful, and you should not repeat the same problem. That means you have to discontinue all the bad habits you did before, because this is another chance and maybe it is the final chance for you to continue that business. Now, first of all, you have to focus on the updating the selling methods. You have to be within the information, within the updated information, within the updated techniques, within the updated method, within the updated information about the market, about the product. So therefore, you have to be very sensitive in this point. You have to review every single items in your business. Don't let it go by chance as you did before. Study it, review it, take consultation, take other opinions if you want, but you have to work more harder than before. And as you do for the sales, you have to do also to other aspects within your business. If you are a manufacturer, you have to also to update your production method. Also, you can, whether you are manufacturer or retailer, you have to also to update the information about the purchasing, okay, about even the HR or if of the marketing, of the contribution, about the distribution. All these are need to be kept in front of you and constantly need to be reviewed from time to time. As I say, don't sit at your home and depend on your staff and say they will do the business for you, because now it is the second time, so you need to be more serious, more careful, as I said. Now, sales is very important, because sales, as we agreed from episode 1, is the lifeblood of the business. From sales, you will get the profit. From sales, you will get the cash. So therefore, to improve your cash flow ability and your profitability, you have to improve your sales. As I said, keep reviewing the sales method. Be within the market. Don't sell old item. Don't look at the market. Look at the selling techniques. Look at the other let's say shops who are competing with you. If they are using, for example, updated method for the sales, and let's say, for example, they have all the techniques, and you are using the old one, still you are using calculators rather than computer to record the sales transaction, okay, still you have the manual bookkeeping while the other have computerized or updated. You have to update yourself. All these are techniques which need to be taken carefully, as I said, by your study, by your knowledge, by your reviewing nowadays, because you are improving. So you have to add reviewing for this improvement. Now, also, you need to update and change and what the financial policy of your business. See what was the mistakes. For example, I say, well, I have too many banks account, which I don't need them. I have too many credit facilities. I don't need them. Or the opposite. Well, in fact, I always use I draw from my shop and buy the others, or for example, other items or new item. I never think about an overdraft facility, for example, or short-term loan. Let's try this time. Do it, because you are changing, you are updating, you are improving. So either you have too many accounts, cut them down. You have less account, increase them if you want. And as I said, you have to improve the relationship with the banks. You are not happy with the banks, go to other banks. Look at, let's say, for example, the facility they give you. Look at and fight for the interest rate they charge you. Okay, and also look at your customer. Say, well, because I give very short credit period, say 10 days, or I have less customer. I I didn't encourage the customer to spend more on my shop. Let's make it 30 days. So that will encourage them to come to me and to buy more from me. Or the opposite, because I give them 60 days and they are very slow in paying their debts. Therefore, I receive more cash, and this is why I have a cash flow problem. Let's make the opposite. Well, why I give them 60 days and they're not paying me? Let's make it 30 days. Let's make it even less if you want. So you have to improve your financial policy in addition to the sales method and production method if you are a manufacturer, as I said. Also look at the advertisement and the promotion. See, for example, because before I pay too much on the advertisement, let's cut this cost down. Or the opposite, because I have no advertisement, nobody knows me, so let's make advertisement. Now, instead of, for example, make it myself, I will call another company to make the advertisement for me and pay them, say, commission or some money. Or nowadays in the market, there are young people, the graduated people, now they make also marketing. If they accept small amount of money, even they accept gift, if say from your shop, from your shop, and they will do the advertisement for you. So use them, why not? So all these will encourage your sales, improve your profit, improve and increase your cash. Also look at your supplier. Do you want to change them? You want a new supplier, for example. You want more credit period from that supplier. All these need to be, as I say, reviewed. And before reviewed, should be studied through that knowledge, and then need to be reviewed. And because you are in the second chance, you have to review it consistently from time to time. Don't keep silent. Don't keep, say, lazy and daisy and depend on your staff. You have to do all these things. But at the top of that, and I left it for the end because it is very important, that is staff. Staff, that means your staff. This is very important and sensitive situation. Bear in your mind that your staff are the one who bring the fruits to your business. They are the one who bring the cash for your business. They are the one who increase or decrease your profit. They are the one who face the customer and deal with the customer. They are the one who make the purchasing. They are the one who make the sales. They are the one who make the production. They are the one who make the bookkeeping and recording the entries. They are the one who record these transactions. They are the one who prepare the financial statement, for you. They are the one who deal with the banks in some situation. Okay, the owner, they don't go to the banks, they let their staff or specialist staff. Therefore, because you are paying salary and you pay cost for them, which affect your profit, you have to select the specialist staff, the professional staff. Don't use any staff. Don't select any staff. Don't keep too many staff. You don't need them, because it is your money, it is your cash, it is the second time for you in the market. So therefore, be careful. But keep in your mind that these people, the staff, are a human being. The more you give them, the more they give you. So therefore, try to encourage them as well as possible. Try your best to be a good employer for them. Give them promotion, give them salary on time, give them commission, give them gifts, even make a dinner or a lunch for themselves and for the for them and for their family at least once per month. Encourage them, make them happy. So improve the working condition of your staff, as I said, because the more they are happy, the more they work for you, the more you'll loyalties they provide, and they will be encouraged to be with you up to the end. And bear in your mind also that these staff are important, because through my business life experience, I noticed some owners of the business who told me, and in fact they show me that for some they say our staff are more important than our customer. Why is that? Because they say if we lost customer because he or she was unhappy, so our staff are more important because they remain with us. They are the one who make the sales. So if they are happy, they make the customer or other customers more happier, and they will learn from their mistakes. Here, of course, I'll talk about the contented staff, the good staff, the specialist staff. And for others who told me, in fact, they said, our staff are more important than bank loan. Of course, again, they need the contended staff, those who never or who seldom they ask for, more money for the salary, but they are loyal, they work hard. These people are more important than the bank loan. Imagine that. The bank loan, we'll get it and we spend it, and even we improve our business, it will go and we have to look for another loan. But these people, if we keep them happy and they remain with us for years and years up to they retire, they will increase our sales growth, they will increase our profitability and cash flowability. Therefore, make them happy. Make them happy. Your staff, your staff, your staff. That's all the techniques you need for the improvement, and thank you very much.